Hi, today I'm going to show you how to assign color to text and shapes in InDesign. So I've already opened InDesign and created a new document. I'm going to start by creating a text box. I'm going to click my text tool and drag and then type in it. Hello, my name is Melissa. I'm going to highlight this text and make it big so that we can see what we're doing here. And I'm going to stretch this down to get my name on one line. Now I'm also going to come and draw a rectangle. That way we have some text and we have a shape to work with. Okay, I'm going to close my character palette. Here in your palettes, I want to work with swatches and color. Now color is not showing up in mine, so we'll go up to Window, Color, and open the color palette. And then I'm going to drag it in to my toolbar. Okay, let's start with the swatches palette. These are the basic swatches that InDesign gives you. It's not a whole lot, but these are a good starting point. So, for example, for our text, you can highlight, by double-clicking in the text box, you can highlight what you want to change the color of. Make sure that you're on the T. This affects the text, not the box the text is in. And now here you have two options. This option, if you click on it where the T is in front, this is the fill. So this will affect, let's change it to pink. This will affect the inside of your text. If you want to put a stroke around it of a different color, highlight it. And this other box here, if you click it and bring it to front, see is the stroke. So we can give it a black outline. If I click over, you can see now I have pink text with a black outline. If I were to click on just this text box, you see how here the square is highlighted? I could give the square that this is in a color. Now this is not my favorite thing to do if I want words on top of a colored box, because it's a little bit difficult to get this centered up inside the frame very nicely. You see everything wants to go either right up on the edges. So what I'll generally do is have a clear text box. We'll set it to none. And then I will make a colored shape and put my text on top of it. So let's make this box yellow. So we've set the fill to yellow. Let's set the outline to bright blue. And now I can click on my text and bring it over. Okay, so you see how it disappeared? It disappeared because it's behind the yellow box. So let's right-click on our text box. We can go to Arrange and Bring to Front. And that brings our text box in front of the yellow box. Now we can adjust this and center it just so. I'll even go over here to Paragraph and center my text and get it exactly the way we like it. You see those little blue lines that showed up whenever I got this perfectly centered? Those are smart guides that help you center things. So now my text is perfectly centered in my yellow box. Everything has colors in the fill and the stroke. And that's the basics of assigning color to text and shapes.